Oyster is a powerful tool designed to streamline remote team management, making it easier for businesses to hire, manage, and pay remote employees across the globe. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use Oyster for remote team management. So stick around because we'll be covering some tips and tricks that will save you time and increase productivity for your remote teams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to manage your remote team more effectively with this software. Now, before we dive in, you can access Oyster for free through the first link below and enjoy exclusive bonuses. This is the perfect chance to get hands-on with the software without any upfront commitment. So make sure to grab that offer while it lasts. Let's start with the basics. Oyster helps businesses manage global teams seamlessly, whether you're hiring in one country or multiple. When you first log into Oyster, the dashboard is incredibly user-friendly, offering a clean interface where you can quickly navigate to the most important features, like team management, payroll, and compliance. The first thing you'll do when using Oyster for remote team management is adding your team members. You can easily onboard new hires by entering their personal details and setting up their job roles. Oyster also supports a wide range of currencies. So if you're hiring in multiple regions, you can pay your team in their local currency without any issues. The software even handles tax and legal compliance automatically for each country, which is a huge time saver. Once your team is set up, you can use Oyster's team management tools to assign tasks, track progress, and communicate with your team all within the platform. The task management feature integrates seamlessly with your team calendar, allowing you to set deadlines and keep everything on track. Whether your team is across one time zone or multiple, Oyster helps keep everything organized. Another fantastic feature of Oyster is its automated payroll system. Managing payroll for remote teams can be complicated, but Oyster simplifies it. You can pay employees with just a few clicks, and the platform ensures compliance with local tax laws in over 180 countries. This takes a huge load off your shoulders, as you don't have to worry about setting up complicated payroll systems or risking mistakes with tax calculations. What makes Oyster stand out is its focus on making remote work smoother for both employers and employees. It offers a suite of benefits for remote employees like health insurance and retirement plans, which can be tailored based on their location. This allows businesses to offer benefits that feel just like they would in an office-based environment, but for remote teams scattered around the world. Now, Oyster also helps with compliance. You don't need to become an expert in international labor laws because the platform takes care of it. The software is designed to ensure that your contracts are in line with the laws in the countries where your employees are based, from labor regulations to tax compliance. Finally, if you're managing a remote team with different time zones, you'll appreciate the flexibility Oyster offers. The software makes it easy to set up team schedules, create meeting times that work for everyone, and track working hours without confusion. You can even integrate Oyster with your preferred collaboration tools, such as Slack or Zoom, ensuring smooth communication and productivity across the board. To wrap it up, using Oyster for remote team management isn't just about payroll and compliance. It's about making your life easier as a remote team leader and helping your employees feel connected and supported. From simplifying hiring and onboarding to managing payroll and legal matters, Oyster helps you focus on what really matters, growing your business and empowering your team. Before you go, remember to check out the first link below to access Oyster for free with exclusive bonuses so you can start using all these powerful features to manage your remote team today. You won't find a better deal anywhere else, so don't miss out.